To begin, select the correct probe and application from the patient page. In this case, I will select the C1 to 5RS probe and the eFAST application. Scan the anatomy of interest. In this example, I have selected and will scan the right upper quadrant. The zones are labeled for you. Select the appropriate finding, free fluid yes, no, indeterminate for the right upper quadrant. In this case, I will select no. The finding will be placed into the selected location in the eFAST diagram. Tap freeze, then store, or you can store a short cine clip by simply tapping store. Continue the exam and tap the icon to document your findings. They'll store along with your image. Upon completion of the eFAST exam, you can now review the eFAST diagram by selecting Review on the top left-hand side of the touchscreen. If the eFAST diagram does not automatically appear on the review screen, tap the eFAST icon at the bottom of the review screen to view the eFAST diagram. If multiple images were taken at any location, simply swipe the image in that location to view each one. You can add comments regarding the exam by using the summary box in the upper left-hand corner of the touchscreen. Need to change a finding? No problem. At any time you can tap Finding and change the selection and the new finding is saved. Tap Store to save a picture or snapshot of the eFAST diagram.